Hi, I'm Michael Duenas. I am a celebrity hairdresser and president of Support Creative's nonprofit. The reason why I like to color my hair, I want to get rid of all this gray. I have a lot starting to come in. It just makes me feel older than what I am. I have a 2-year-old, I have a lot of work that I'm constantly doing, so I'm already stressed, and I just want to feel younger. Colorsmith has really thought of everything. It prevents you from having to go to the store and look at 4 to 7 different boxes. Today, I'm going to teach you how to color your hair. Okay, so what you want to do before you get started is put on your stain guard over everything. Apply it to your whole hairline. Cover everything, but not on your hair. So if you get on your hair, then it's not really going to penetrate and cover it. So let's put it everywhere. Then you want to take your developer and your color, and you want to pour your color into your developer. Shake it up really well. So you're going to apply it around your sides first. And get it where those grays are first. I'm now going to use my comb. I'm going to section my hair down the middle. I'm going to comb the product through, all the way through. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. I know exactly when to take it off. I'm gonna go prep some food. I'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to dampen my head and scrub it and really work it into a lather. And then I'm going to rinse it completely out. So I just rinsed my hair, and that couldn't have been easier. My hair feels so soft, it has a ton of shine, and it toned down the gray hair perfectly. I don't feel like it looks like I colored my hair. It looks incredibly natural. It was probably the easiest process I've ever had, from ordering from Colorsmith, receiving my box, and coloring my hair. I mean, all in all, it maybe took me 15, 20 minutes max to do everything, and I didn't have to go anywhere. I was able to do it at home and get the perfect color. I mean, this diffusion is perfect. Doesn't even look like I colored my hair.